Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making these chocolate peanut butter oat squares. So if you're interested, keep watching. So recently I have been trying to focus a little bit more on my health, mental health, physical health, nutrition, all of that. I feel like in the past few years, especially since I've had kids, I have severely neglected myself in all these ways. So I've been focusing more on working, like I said, on better nutrition, food, exercise, all of that. So today I'm going to be trying to make a healthier snack option for me and my family. I'm just gathering the ingredients here. These granola squares or bars are really good, and every time I make them, they do not last long in the house. Everyone seems to like these, so it's a win-win. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients. I'm going to be using some peanut butter. You can use organic if you want. I just have regular peanut butter. Some old-fashioned oats. Some sugar-free chocolate chips. And some honey. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be melting 1 cup of peanut butter just so I can mix it in easier with the rest of the ingredients. We just moved into this house, I guess just about 6 months ago, and this stove is actually all the appliances in the kitchen are not my favorite. The stove is the top of my unhappy list, so you can see it's kind of worn on the top, so eventually we'll be replacing that and the dishwasher and the refrigerator. They all work, they just have their issues. But anyway, so I'm going to be melting this peanut butter in the microwave in short 30-second increments, just so I can mix it in with all the ingredients. Okay, so I'm adding in about 1 cup of the oats and then mixing in the peanut butter and sometimes adding in a little bit more oats just to get the right texture. This doesn't need to be measured perfectly. Okay, so now I mixed together the oats, the peanut butter, and a little bit of honey. I'm going to put in my chocolate chips. Probably put in about 1/2 cup to 1 cup in there. I'm not really sure. I'm going to mix this all together. Make sure everything's evenly spread. Now I'm going to take my baking dish or whatever dish you want to put it in. I'm going to put it in there. If I had parchment paper, I would be putting it in there. But this worked out okay without it this time. But I would typically recommend using parchment paper before putting it in there because it makes it a little bit harder to get out. So I'm just going to go ahead and smash it all down. I'm trying to make it as flat and smooth as I can for when I cut them into like little squares or bars, however you want to do it. I think it's easier to do the squares. I feel like the bars kind of fall apart. So my idea for this channel as I'm growing and moving is just I want to focus like on what I'm doing in my own life, is focusing on better health for myself and my family, physical health. So I'm working on eating better, moving more, working more on mental health. Just trying to work on the things that I've ignored for a long time with just being busy as a mom and all that stuff. Hopefully other people can relate to that. But anyway, that's kind of what I've been planning on doing here and focusing on. So now it's all smashed down and smooth, and I added some chocolate chips on top and a little bit of honey. But you don't have to do that, I just did it. I'm going to cover it with some Reynolds wrap or some plastic wrap, whatever you have, just to cover it. You don't even have to, I guess, for now. So I'm covering this because I'm going to put it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. I think I ended up leaving in here over an hour because I forgot about it, but at least 30 minutes to make it hard enough to cut into bars. So I'm just going to remove that and cut it in little, like I said, I prefer little squares. I think it's a little bit easier. And parchment paper would make it a little bit easier to come off the bottom. It worked out okay, but it broke off a little bit more than it probably would have with parchment paper. So it's kind of coming apart. I'm trying to cut around the edges. So I'm just going to start scooping them up. I'm putting them in a container with a lid. That's what it looks like. I think these are really good. My kids and my husband, everyone actually really like them, and I feel like I really like them. I have to stop eating them whenever I make them. But it's just a little bit healthier than some of the other snacks. And the granola bars at the store, you don't really know what's all in there, and I know what's in this because I made it, so I feel better about it for me and my family. Anyways, you should be able to put it in a covered container, and then it should be good for about a week. If you guys try it out, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out all my links below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, take care.